I bought 5 of Amazon's most popular shoe organizers and storage solutions, tested them all. I'm going to show you which one I think would be best for you. You can't go wrong with either one of these, but some are definitely better in different situations than others. This right here is going to be by 7 Code. This one right here is by Space Aid. This one over here is by Aokeyee, Aokeyee. This one back here is by Space Aid, and this one over here is by Ubevany. I don't know, I think that's how you say that. I'm not really even sure. So we're gonna kind of go over each one. I have pairs of my shoes, I have pairs of my girlfriend's shoes, we got some purses. We're gonna show you all the different kind of use cases for this and walk you through each one. So let's start up top right over here because that's gonna be the easiest one to do first. This one right over here is gonna be your Space Aid one. I am 5'10", or 5'11" rather, so a little bit shorter than me, if you wanted to look at it that way. So you can see here, this rotates, so oscillates really, really easily. This does require some assembly. No tools necessary though. You don't even need an Allen wrench or anything like that. You literally just snap the pieces in place and you are good to go. So just for reference here, I am a size 13. So here's kind of like a big pair of like Uggish slippers right over here. They do fit on here. It does hang off a little bit, but no problem. You have my girlfriend here who's a size 8. Her shoes fit on here, no problem whatsoever. So just kind of note that. If I kind of wanted to, I could reposition these if I wanted to, just like that, and they fit on and don't hang off. So it just really depends. Here's a pair of Ugg boots in here as well. People want to know if you could put a pair of high heels in here. So here's a pair of high heels. Easy to put those in here. So this would be really nice actually, like just for heels and stuff like that. In terms of kind of pocketbooks and stuff like that, I thought here you could also, maybe if you wanted books on there, I don't know. Something like a pocketbook like this size right over here, not really gonna fit on here. So something more like this along this way right over here. A little bit of a smaller one. You could get a bigger one definitely in here. You put a couple in there if you wanted to, or kind of put a display one in there if you wanted to, but just so you kind of have some idea. This is 7 tiers all the way down. You can get different size tiers as well if you wanted to. Just really depends on what you're looking to do. This is in the color white, and you get 4 different compartments on each tier. So a total of 28, and then you also have the top. So if you want to put a couple more pairs on the top, maybe you get another 4 pairs up there. So what is that? 32 pairs. That would be that one right over here. This one over here. This one requires no assembly whatsoever. This is the Ubevany. I think that's how you say it. Let me get you a closer look right over here. You'll see these are going to just come with 4 little hooks right over here. You're just going to hook them in here and put them on the back of a door. Again, I'm 5'11". It's a little taller than me. Takes up pretty much the whole space of a standard door. If you want to kind of see down there, that's kind of how you see right over there. This has 20 deep pouches right over here. I kind of really like this one over here just because you just literally pop this on the door. The cool part about this one too is when you shut the door just like that, there's no friction or anything, and when you open the door too. So they did a really nice job designing that. Now, in terms of how many pairs of shoes, kind of you can get like 20 to 30 in here. This is my pair of 13 shoes. You can see pops right in there. Deep pockets as well. If I kind of wanted to put them on top of each other, that is a possibility as well. And then I could get another pair of shoes in there if I wanted to, which is great. So like these slippers right over here easily would go in there. So, you know, that's just something to consider when you have this right over here. This has like 10 tiers by 2. So I have 2 pairs of 13 shoes in here. So I could fit probably 20 pairs just myself on here. And then if you kind of look at my girlfriend right over here. Her shoes are a size 8 right over here. And she also has a pair of flats right over here. So for the flats, you could probably put another 4 flats over there. Her sneakers are right in here as well. We could easily get another pair of sneakers in here. So that's about 3 for her. So you kind of get like some idea how that would work for you. I would say the only other storage I could see for this is going to be maybe stuff for our dog. Like I could see putting his sweaters, his leashes, his collars, maybe even some dog toys in here or seasonal stuff that he has, because it's going to be super easy. So that's that one. This one right over here, you're going to get a pack of 6 of these. These are 13 by 10 by 7. This will require a little assembly. It takes about a minute to put together. This has a lid that opens just like this right over here. You're going to get 6 of them. They are stackable. For a size 13 shoe like mine, no problem. They go in just like that, which is really nice. That is probably the limit on these right over here. You'll see up close right over here. Just makes it in there comfortably. I don't think I could stack another pair like on side or anything in there as well. You'll see up top here, they have like little pegs and they come with little pieces of plastic. You can put those in there and stack on top of these as well. You're gonna get 6 of these, like I said. The nice part about these is it could be also versatile too. For something like a purse like this, you could easily just slide this in just like that, no problem. Oops. Just like that, shut the door, and you are good to go, and you have storage. It is all clear, which I like, because you can see exactly what you want in there. So you could put hats in here, collectible sneakers, all sorts of that stuff. So if you wanted to do that, you have that option for that one as well. So that's that one right over there. This next one over here is by Spaceaid. This is 17 by 17 by 12. You have options in here. This is how it comes, just like this right over here. So, but the cool part about this is the base right over here. So it's kind of like a cardboard-y type of thing. And you just kind of get that situated just like that. So the cool part about this is you could do multiple departments right over here. So that pops out just like that. We got another one that pops out right over here. So you kind of have 4 different compartments that you could put over here, depending on your shoe size and what's going on. Like obviously this is going to be great for like flats and flip-flops and stuff like that. You probably get 1 to 2 pairs in there. So 4, 4, 4, and 4 is going to be 16 different pairs normally. I'm not getting 16 pairs of size 13 in here. I did it before. I could get my shoes and the Uggs in one compartment. So for me, that's what, 2, 4, 6, about 8 different pairs for me. This has 2 handles right over here, which is nice, and a clear zipper pouch as well. So you can see what is inside. The last one over here, this is the last one right over here. This is the Aoki one right over here. This one is really, really nice. This one comes in different colors, as well as the Spaceaid one right over here. So when you get this one right over here, this will come folded up. You do get 2 of these, and you do get 2 of the Spaceaid ones too. This bottom right here pops in really nice. And you have this. The main difference with this one right over here, we got 2 handles over here, and then we have a handle here, and a nice little pouch over here, which is nice. Same deal with this one right over here. You could just pop these out. I would say really, really like these a lot. This one, obviously, you could do, what do we say, 4, 4, 4, and 4. If you get more shoes in here, like if you get 2 pairs, which I really think you could. Let's see. So if you had like 2 pairs of flats right over here. Yeah, there's definitely space in here for like probably another pair if you wanted to do that. So you have that space here. This one zippers as well. So that is just really easy. These have a little bit more options. Like you could do an L with this one. You could literally do 4 just like this right over here and leave this big L just like that if you wanted to do that. So you don't have to worry about that at all. So with all these being said, these are the 5 most popular ones. I would say if you are looking for more of a display, something to put purses on, shoes, like I said, you could get anywhere from ladies, call it an 8, to a guy's probably 13, maybe even 14 or smaller. I think this is a great kind of, if you want to do heels, you can definitely do a nice display of heels if you want to do that. This is going to be great if you have like space in like a walk-in closet or maybe a basement or something like that, or a storage area where you have room to spin this. I think this would be great if you're really like showing off your shoes. I would say this one right over here is going to be great if you just want to throw something over a door. Literally take it out, hang it up. I kind of like this because everyone kind of has a door. This is kind of the door to our basement downstairs. I don't know if I'd want this hanging off our front door or anything like that. I don't know if I'd want this in our living room either. This one right over here, going to be the most versatile. This is the 7 Cool, I think it is. Just pop this open just like this. So this is going to be great for kind of like purses, collectible sneakers, hats, stuff like that. Like the fact it's stackable. You're going to get 6 of these. And these are 13 by 10 by 7, and they are clear. So that is a really nice option. I would say this is maybe if you're really looking to display kind of like cool sneakers, stuff like that. These are not, I mean, you could fit these in a closet, but I almost think these are meant to be like outside, kind of displayed in a room, maybe a basement, maybe some collectible stuff like that. And I think these right here are going to be great for storage. If you want to put stuff in a closet, you could stack these on top of each other. Again, they each come with 2, so just know that. I do like the fact that you could just hold this like that or drag this. Doesn't really matter. It really just depends on what you're trying to do. I would say, obviously, if you have the space for this one, this is absolutely awesome. Just kind of show off all your shoes and stuff like that. If you're kind of looking, I think these would be my next 2 favorites right over here. This for the storage. The zipper just works better on this one versus the other one. We also got this extra bin in front here and an extra handle. And then I would say this one right here, if you're looking to kind of display stuff, you could put these pretty much anywhere. I'd say these would be great for a closet, or these could even be stored in like a second closet, like don't even think bedroom, because you could stack these up. These might even be able to be used for like ornaments and stuff like that. Now I'm just thinking about that, but I hope you found this helpful and you find the perfect shoe organizer for you.